your business idea looks like gold, you're in for a bold journey. First up, Austin, Texas. With a booming tech scene and a vibrant startup culture, Austin offers endless networking opportunities. Plus, no state income tax. Cha-ching. Next, we have Denver, Colorado. Known for its supportive business community and access to top talent, Denver is perfect for innovative minds. And, bonus, you get to enjoy that stunning mountain view. Finally, say hello to Miami, Florida. This city is not just for beach lovers. With its strategic location and diverse economy, Miami is a hotspot for international business. And yes, you can still catch those rays. So, there you have it. Austin for tech, Denver for innovation, and Miami for global reach. Which city will you choose to start your business adventure? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more entrepreneurial tips. See you next time.